Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will show you how to create your personal channel on Telegram, guys. You can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Telegram. Then you can see 3 vertical lines. At top left corner, click on it. Then click on Settings option. Then you can see pencil icon at top right corner. Click on it. Then click on Personal Channel option. Then click on Start a Channel. Write there your channel name. Then add there your description. Then click on Tick option at top right corner. Finally, guys, in this way you can easily add your personal channel on Telegram.